Let's explore which one is better, Moomoo or Interactive Brokers. So let's begin. Okay, so Moomoo and Interactive Brokers, or IBKR, cater to different types of traders with distinct features and target markets. Alright, now for target audience, basically, Moomoo caters to individual investors and traders, providing a user-friendly platform with a focus on research tools, international market access, and a mobile-first approach. It's suitable for beginners and intermediate traders. Now, interactive brokers are known for catering to a wide range of traders, including active traders, institutions, and professional investors. It also offers advanced trading tools, extensive research, and a broad range of market access suitable for experienced traders. Now, in terms of trading instruments, interactive brokers provide access to a wide array of financial products, including stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, and more across global markets. And it's known for extensive range of available instruments and markets. Now, like interactive brokers, Moomoo also offers stocks, options, ETFs, and access to international markets, allowing users to trade in various global exchanges. Now, in terms of fees and account minimums, Moomoo generally offers commission-free trading for stocks and options with no account minimums. However, certain services or features might have associated fees. So if you want more about that, you need to go here at their website. Now, for interactive brokers, fees and account minimums, they are known for competitive pricing, especially for active traders, because they offer tiered commission structures and might have minimum deposit requirements, especially for certain account types. Now, in terms of the trading platforms, I could say that Interactive Brokers provides multiple trading platforms, including a powerful desktop platform known as Trader Workstation, also a web-based platform known as IBKR Web Trader, and a mobile app which is the IBKR Mobile. These platforms cater to different trading styles and offer advanced tools and features. All right. Now, in terms of the trading platforms, Moomoo is widely known for a user-friendly platform with a focus on mobile trading, providing research tools, real-time data, and of course, a very simplistic approach and a simple interface. Now, in terms of customer support, Moomoo offers CS via various channels like live chat, email, and phone, catering to user inquiries and assistance. However, for interactive brokers, some users have reported varying experience in terms of responsiveness, but they do provide customer support through different means. All right, and in terms of regulation and security, both Moomoo and Interactive Brokers are regulated and adhere to industry standards for security and protection of user funds. Now, choosing between Moomoo and Interactive Brokers are dependent on your trading experience, preferences, and the range of markets you want to access. If you want to an extensive range of instrument and advanced tools for experienced traders and professionals, I suggest you go for Interactive Brokers. All right. But if you are like new and just a beginner, probably Moomoo might be more suitable for you, especially if you're always on the go and interested in mobile trading, right? But again, it's all up to you, and it's dependent on the matter of preferences and of course your budget. So if you want to get to know the fees of Moomoo and Interactive Brokers, I suggest you go in their website, compare the two. All right, because they have different fees for certain account times, and I would suggest it would be wise to go on these different websites. But again, Moomoo and Interactive Brokers, or IBKR, cater to different types of traders with distinct features and target markets. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.